Shifting focus now to the state of Uttar Pradesh. Yogi Adityanath's flower shower for Kanwar Yatra. Big message amid the opposition anti-Kanwar onslaught. Opposition claims appeasement of vandals after Yogi's powerful defense. Big symbolism move that we in fact see. Yatra of faith, the unholy fight escalates. This is the visual that we bring to you of the flower shower. With that, let's quickly listen into some of the reactions that have come into the story so far.
कांवड़ यात्रा सदियों पुराना एक आस्था का प्रतीक है। कांवड़ हमेशा आती रही है, लेकिन जब से योगी जी उत्तर प्रदेश की जो धार्मिक कार्य को में हुड़दंगियों का तुष्टीकरण शुरू कर दिया, करिए, उनको रास्ता दीजिए, उनको मतलब जो ला रहे हैं, कांवड़ लेके आ रहे हैं, उनकी सुरक्षा का इंतज़ाम होना चाहिए, उनको सेफ पैसेज का उस इंतज़ाम होना चाहिए, लेकिन उसकी आड़ में हुड़दंगियों का तुष्टीकरण नहीं होना चाहिए।
कि आज योगी जी की सरकार है, ये कांवड़ियों के यहाँ से यात्रा हो रही है, वहाँ मुसलमानों की दुकान न रहे। ये नफरत का बीज बोया जा रहा है। ये देश किसी एक जाति का, किसी मजहब का, किसी धर्म का नहीं है, ये देश सबका है।
Now, Samarth Srivastav joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Samarth, a very good afternoon to you. Firstly, do bring us details as to what you're picking up at this point in terms of these very developments. And secondly, also put it into context as to so far what are the escalations we have seen in the opposition and the government and their takes on this very Kanwar Yatra, and how are we looking at this very development, this flower shower that we've seen the Chief Minister participate in the broader context of these developments.
See, UP Yogi Adityanath is in Meerut and he showered flowers on Kanwar Yatris. So it's not the first time in the Yogi government when this has happened. Every year, whenever Kanwar Yatra takes place, especially in the western Uttar Pradesh, either CM Yogi Adityanath or the DGP or ADG Law and Order do the flower showering from the helicopter every year whenever Kanwar Yatra takes place. But if you talk about the politics revolving around this Kanwar Yatra, because we have seen a lot of videos coming where some Kanwarias were involved in vandalizing the properties. And thereafter, opposition, especially Congress Party and the Samajwadi Party, kept asking the UP government about the actions being taken against those violators who violated the law and order. And to which CM Yogi Adityanath few days back in Varanasi and today again, he mentioned that calling Kanwarias a troublemaker or a terrorist could not be justified, and one should also see what is happening in the Muharram when it was a riot-like condition happened in the Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh. So CM Yogi Adityanath has taken a clear stand that he will be on the side of the Kanwar Yatris, and that seems to be also the stand of the Bharatiya Janata Party, at least in Uttar Pradesh, where most ministers are saying that there could be some unwanted elements in the Kanwar Yatra who may try to pose as a Kanwariya and try to vandalize things, and in a way for making the name of Kanwar Yatra, which happens in the holy month of Sawan, bad. That could be the strategy of some people who want to make their name in the headlines. So that has been the stand for the BJP and also the Yogi government, as Yogi Adityanath clearly gave a message from Varanasi that day that there could be some unwanted element in the Kanwar Yatris who could be doing such things. Without naming anyone, he targeted the opposition party for the same. Back to you.
Right, Samarth, thank you for bringing us all those details. And with that, viewers, let's quickly also take you through what Yogi Adityanath himself had to say on this very development.
हमें ध्यान में रखना होगा, जहां उत्साह और उमंग है, जहां श्रद्धा और भक्ति है, उस उत्साह और उमंग को भंग करने के लिए, इस भक्ति और श्रद्धा को बदनाम करने के लिए कुछ तत्व लगातार कुत्सित प्रयास कर रहे हैं। सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर भी और प्रत्यक्ष रूप से भी ऐसे तत्वों के द्वारा ये प्रयास किया जा रहा है कि कावड़ यात्रा को बदनाम किया जाए। ये हर कावड़ संघ का भी दायित्व बनता है कि वे किसी भी ऐसे तत्व को जो कावड़ की भगवान शिव की इस पावन यात्रा को बदनाम करने का कुत्सित प्रयास करके उपद्रवी के भेष में छुपे हुए हैं, उन्हें बेनकाब करें, उन्हें हर हाल में अपने आप से दूर कराएं, अपने बीच में न घुसने दें, प्रशासन को तत्काल इसकी सूचना दें।